Okay, so we are in Second Life now, and we need to upload our mesh. So build, upload mesh model. I saved it as O3, right? Open. This will take a while because it's so dense. So wait for it till it shows up here. There we go. I'm going to turn the lowest slot model to 0. If I wanted to do this perfectly, I would make lot models for it, but my life is too short for this, so I'm just setting it to 0, and the others are okay. Now I need include skin weights. I don't need include joint positions because I haven't moved any bones around anywhere. I've only rotated them a bit and rotated them back to their original position. So just skin weights. And we need a physics, but I'm just going for the lowest because really the avatar has physics on its own anyway. I don't need a lot of physics on the clothes. So calculate weights and fees. And we get a download at 2.268. So that's our land impact. I'm perfectly happy with that. So let's upload that. And here's our hoodie. And as I said, it's uploaded with that name because we renamed it in the file. So attach it. Please don't attach it to the hand. Attach it to an attachment point that makes sense. Okay, so I'm in my charming default Second Life body here, and as you can see, this is not perfect at all. It should be, and it's not. So this is where the tweaking comes in, because we need to tweak weights and tweak mesh for this to work. I have a bit of a weirdness here on this string that I need to fix. I have stuff here by the hood that looks weird. I have stuff around the arms that looks weird, and a bit at the lower back and in the chest area, and then down here the border of the shirt kind of cuts into her. So I need to fix those things, but I think we need to stop for this week. So the tweaking will be for next week. So let's end it here.